On Saturday, December 13, the families of Eric Garner, Michael Brown, Trayvon Martin and Akai Gurley congregated at the Freedom Plaza in Washington, D.C., for a rally and march against police violence that drew thousands of supporters from across the country. Led by the Reverend Al Sharpton, the march even protesters who carried signs and chanted for change came in all colors and ages, but their determination to highlight and hopefully stamp out what they saw as rampant police abuse was the uniting factor. Related, from J. Cole to Kendrick to Gil Scott-Heron, here's your protest playlist. The conditions that drew the crowd were grim. In a matter of weeks, 2 separate grand juries voted not to indict police officers in the deaths of Michael Brown and Eric Garner, but the energy here today was very much positive and constructive. Related, Kendrick Lamar wants knowledge to push us forward in wake of protests over police injustice. Protesters gathered peacefully, marched peacefully, and every person I approached was happy to explain their vision for a world where a person's skin color wouldn't put their lives at risk. Tuali moved down Pennsylvania Avenue towards the U.S. Capitol building.